If humans fought animals using only our bodies, we'd lose almost every time. A cheetah can outrun a bullet train's takeoff speed. A gorilla can bench press a small car. An ant can lift objects 5,000 times its own body weight. So here's an uncomfortable question. If humans stripped away every tool, every weapon, every piece of technology, would we actually survive a fight against the animal kingdom? Or are we, biologically speaking, one of the weakest species on Earth? Let's find out. Round 1. Speed. Usain Bolt's top speed, about 27 miles per hour. Impressive for a human. A cheetah, 70 miles per hour. It could finish a 100-meter sprint in under 3 seconds. Bolt needs over 9. But here's the twist. A pronghorn antelope can maintain 55 miles per hour for miles at a time, not just a burst. Compared to that, humans aren't just slow, we're standing still. Not even close. Round 2. Strength. Pound for pound, humans are shockingly weak. A chimpanzee, about half our size, is roughly 1.5 times stronger than an adult man in raw pulling and lifting power. Gorillas can lift up to 10 times their own body weight. Then there's the rhinoceros beetle, which can carry over 800 times its own weight, the equivalent of a human lifting 6 loaded school buses. Humans do have one strength advantage: fine motor control and throwing accuracy. We're actually one of the only species that can accurately hurl an object with damaging force from a distance. It's a small win, but it's real, and historians argue it's one of the reasons early humans could hunt animals far stronger than themselves. Round 3. Senses. This is where it gets brutal for us. A dog's sense of smell is up to 100,000 times more sensitive than a human's. An eagle can spot a rabbit from over 2 miles away. Human vision doesn't come close. A bat can navigate total darkness using sound alone. Even a shark can detect a single drop of blood in 25 gallons of water. Humans have decent color vision and okay depth perception, but in almost every sensory category, we are near the bottom of the animal kingdom, not the top. Round 4. Survival instincts. Drop a wolf in a forest, and it knows exactly what to eat, how to hunt, and how to build shelter. Instantly, with zero training. Drop a human in a forest with no prior knowledge, and most of us wouldn't survive the first night. We don't have built-in venom, camouflage, night vision, or claws. Newborn animals like horses can stand and walk within an hour of birth. Human babies take about a year just to walk, and depend on caregivers for years afterward. Biologically, we are born almost defenseless. Round 5. Endurance. Finally, a real fight. Humans are actually one of the best endurance runners on the planet. It's called persistence hunting. Early humans didn't outrun prey, they outlasted it. Our sweat glands let us cool down while running, while most animals can only release heat by panting, which they can't do at a full sprint. That means a human, over several hours in hot conditions, can literally run a horse or an antelope into exhaustion. We also have unmatched fine-tuned cooperation. Humans can coordinate in large groups toward a shared goal, something almost no other species does at this scale. Round 6. Intelligence. This one isn't close, but it's worth explaining why. Crows can solve multi-step puzzles. Octopuses can escape sealed containers. Chimps have short-term memory that beats humans in certain lab tests. But no other species has ever developed written language, built cities, split an atom, or sent something to another planet. Human intelligence isn't about raw processing power in every task. It's about accumulated knowledge. A single human is not that impressive, but humans across generations, passing down knowledge, are unstoppable. So, score it out. Animals win speed, strength, senses, and instinct. Humans win endurance and intelligence. Individually, a human dropped into the wild with nothing is one of the most vulnerable on Earth. But give that human time, a group, and knowledge passed down through generations, and we become the only species that has ever dominated every other one. If you found this interesting, drop a like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.